Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grachova. I'm an investment advisor, and here in Russia I work with extremely rich clients. Today I'm in the swimming pool and I decided to make a video and to tell you one essential thing. When I was younger, I was too focused on financial investments and other aspects that are not related to anything despite my job. I didn't have hobbies, I didn't have private life, I didn't have friends, and my whole day was full of problems, difficulties, and negative thoughts. Because when you run business, you always face difficulties. And I really thought that if I would be too focused on it and to think only about problems that I have, then I will solve them better, more effectively. But now I am a bit successful and high qualified woman, and I really understand how important it is to shift your attention to something good. And in reality, if you think always about problems, it doesn't mean that you will solve them better than if you don't think about problems always 24 hours per 7. And it is really difficult for entrepreneurs, for people who work for themselves, to give time for nothing, to not to think about your business. And I was that kind of person. And in reality, when I started changing my attitude to people, clients, sphere, and other aspects, I really became happier, and my results didn't change quite seriously. I mean, I started having time, giving myself time to think about my job. But then when I go for a walk, when I communicate with people, I try to not to think about it at all. And in reality, I feel more energy. So this pressure is really difficult, and psychological pressure is the most it is the first reason why you feel tired all the time. And again, you can think now that if you shift your attention from problems to something else, then everything became worse, you will not be successful and something like that. But in reality, it is not like a truth. You will be more and more effective, because when you don't feel so tired, when you relax your brain, then you can think about solving the solution of the problem in a more interesting way. So you are able to see the variety of choices. Of course, when you work 24 hours per 7, you can see this variety. But when you spend time something on nothing, and when you feel sometimes relaxed, then you can work more effectively. And energy that you have influence the whole your life, the attitude of other people to you. And according to my practice, people, when they see a person, they decide to continue communicating with him or her not only because of job. To tell the truth, when I only started working in investments, I really thought that I is like an investment advisor, that all things that I am interesting for is not because of my personality, of my character, but only I am investment advisor, and because of this people communicate with me. But in reality, I had communication with not right people. When you attract attention of people who you should tell that I have these links, I have this, I know this person, I have such amount of money, you give them reasons why they should communicate with you. But in reality, when you need to give somebody reasons, it means that this person don't want to communicate with you because of you as a person. And of course you will be able to spend some amount of time with this person, but because of his because he thinks that you are valuable. But in reality, it doesn't lead to success. Only people who want to communicate with you because of your character, then with them you will have better relationships and job relationships too. So I faced these problems that I tried to tell people why they should communicate with me, but in reality it shouldn't work like this. And even when you are at your job, people should be motivated by themselves, so they should give you initiative. And after they come to you, it is easier to communicate with them. In reality, if we talk about sales and something like that. But you can tell me that, Anna, I'm a salesman, and if I don't come to a person, then he will not give me money. I can say you that it is the truth only on the one part. You can show your initiative a bit, but it shouldn't be it shouldn't be extraordinary initiative as it was in my life. So I gave a lot of energy to people that was not my real energy, but was like a hero of the novel who think that he should be this person, and he shows some kind of characteristics that can be suitable for sales, for example. And so this video, in this video I would like to tell you one important thing, that energy help people to want to communicate with you, and this kind of energy helps to sell your services, yourself. And when people like your energy, then they want to communicate with you, and they always trust you more. And if you are not that kind of person who you are in reality, people will feel it. And that is why it is essential to build your energy by yourself. And this is how to go for a walk, to have hobbies, to be interesting person. And when you shift your attention from problems, people feel another kind of energy that is not so like and he wants to communicate with you, even if you are a professional in some specific theme. And so energy plays essential role in whole your life, because sales are always about other people. And if you want to be a successful professionalist, you should always pay attention to your energy, real energy. So you should do everything to make this energy better, and all atmosphere will help you. And if we talk about me, I pay too much attention now to myself, to my real thoughts, and who I am in real life, and to my real energy. So I stop being like somebody who I should be, and I start being myself. And then when I start communicating with people in such way, I understood that right people want to be with me, even if I don't tell them that I have these links, I have this amount of money and something like that. So they want to communicate with me because of my energy and because of my professionalism. It is like synergy of two aspects. And I always like control myself. I thought that I should be such kind of person if I want to have this. But this led to difficulties, and I was too tired. And now I do what I really like, and what brings me more energy. And when you have your own energy and you develop your strong parts yourself, not somebody that you should be, then new people who are more suitable for you come in your life, and they can be so successful as previous people. They can give you better opportunities, they can want to help you. And so this video again is about energy, that if you want to communicate with people, you should accept your weaknesses and your strong parts. You should be yourself and give people some amount of initiative, but not too many, because when you are too motivated to communicate with a person, it is really difficult for him to be with you. And people really like when they can feel comfortable with somebody. So when you have great energy, people start feeling comfortable with you, because you don't like put a mask on your face. You're real person. And when you stop controlling yourself in such way and become more as you are in real life, as you are with yourself, then you don't feel so tired, and people want to communicate with you more. It works like this. So I'm now in the park. Yes, here near is park, so I will go for a walk very soon. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, write in comments what you think about it. See you later. Bye bye. It is so amazing sky.